Hey, hello, good morning, guys, and this is Karn with Gautam, and guys, today we are going to do the level The Hunt. Wait, The Hunt Begins. So we have to help Scenic find a Burleus Majoris. Find the average size of the Burl population to use as a baseline. So in this level, we are going to use array indexes, array length, accessing properties, return statements, variables, and while loops. So let's play. So the equipment for this level, you don't need anything. You just need a good pair of glasses, a nice sandstone. You could go with the quartz sandstone, or you could go and buy something better, like the fire opal sandstone or the sapphire sandstone. But for now, let us stick with the quartz sandstone so we have a lower budget. And you just need a good pair of glasses. The best I could recommend are the mahogany glasses for the cheapest. But if you have much money, you could buy the twilight glasses because they will come handy in lots of levels. So that's it. Enough talking, let's play. So our goal here is to find the average size of the burrows. A burrow migration, the perfect time to acquire some information about the sizes of burrows. Tell Scenic, the trapper, the average size of this burrow migration. So let's play. Okay. So we're over here with quick run. We don't say anything. And let me just exit that. So we run out of time because we don't say anything, and we have to tell Scenic right over here their average size. Scenic, the trapper. So we have to tell him their average size. So find the average size of the burrows by calling the average size function, but first we have to do the sum size function. So implement the sum function using the burrow size. So I will do something. So first we have to get a variable that we need to return. So sum equals 0. Okay, let's just do that. Sum equals 0. And we will get burrows. And I think they count as enemies. So let's do here a find enemies. Okay. And then for burrow in the burrows array. So we get sum.0 not over here but up here. Okay. Sum equals sum plus burrow dot size. Yep, the burrow size. And next then return sum, then just pass. And yep, that is the function. And let me tell you how it works. So first we have the burrows array, which are the enemies. So this is a burrow. And yeah. So the sum is to find the burrows.size. So for you go for burrow in the burrows array. So we add all of the burrow sum to all of the burrow sizes to sum so that we get the sum of all the burrow sizes, and then you just return the sum. So now you find the average size of the burrows by calling the average size function. So average size burrows, and we need to define burrows again. Burrows equals here to find enemies. Average size burrows. And let's keep this in the array called average. And we will talk about the average function later, but first let's finish the code. So average here dot say average. average. So now click run, and average size, the capitalization. Okay, what do we just say? It's the size. So mostly it's around between 9 and 12. So it mostly revolves between there. And we just wait. We keep saying the average size instead of like, that sounds about right, let's go. And these are our horses. But let's just go back to the average size function. Average size burls, the argument here is burls. So some size burls. This is why we need to do the sum function first. So you get the sum. So how do you even find the average? Average is there in math. So the average is like the mean of an array or a set of numbers. So let's say, for example, we have 1, 2, and 3. Just a set of simple numbers. So we add all of them together. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And you divide 6 by the amount of numbers. So since we had 3 numbers, which are 1, 2, and 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the average of 1, 2, and 3 is 2. Same thing over here. So you take the whole size of the burls and divide the sum by the amount of burls we calculated with, and then you return it. So then you just find the burls, you just get the average, and you say the average. And yeah, this is it for the level. The hunt begins. And guys, you know you can't trick the submit, so don't try to. Just try and figure out the code. So yeah, without any further ado, let's submit it. And I also have flags over here, but this level doesn't have anything to do with flags. And yeah, so we just see burls having a migration from small burls to big burls, and they're all having a migration. We just can't get the average and tell it to Sadiq, who wants to catch well, a burl. Okay, yep, so this is the level hunt begins. Let's see what we use. Array indexes. We use the arrays burls to find out the average and the sum of the size. We use array length in the average function to divide the sum by to get the average. We access the properties of the burl size to get the sum. We return the average and the sum from both of our functions. We put burls in a variable, and while loops. For all code to run, we always need a while true loop. And not always, but like 90% of the time, we need a while loop. And yeah, so this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. This is Coding with Gautam. I will see you next time. Have a great day.